Now you not looking at me like you just woke up from working a 12-hour shift. It's the audacity for me. Don't know where you bought it from. Don't know why you're under my cover. But I do. Oh, I know you're not yelling in my face. Baby, Jacoby Devontae Bartavius Keaton has absolutely lost his big neck mind. You brisket back wide neck joker. And look at the look. Look at this face. No way. You call yourself giving me two. First of all, I want to get in my bed. I want to enjoy the bed I work hard to lay in. Keep on cutting your eyes at me, son. You're going to be finding you somewhere else to live.